Hello, so here we're just going to make a quick video to show you how to assign user-defined outputs on the digital I/O ribbon cable. So we've got two cameras set up, camera 1 and camera 2, and I've created a series of test images indexing the number from 1 through to 5 on each camera, with camera 2 just lagging behind one digit on the numerical value that's displayed. So let me just show you in our run mode what that's actually looking like on the system. So you can see currently camera 1 is seeing number 5 and it's outputting OK results on the display. And then as we index through, you can see like them just counting up. As soon as we get to character number 5 on camera 2, that's now outputting OK. Number 1's still no good. On the next trigger, obviously, this is going to be camera 1 is now OK, and now camera 2 is no good. So we need to generate the outputs to identify which camera is OK as an individual output. So just click at the top here, go back into our setup mode, click to output, and then over here on the left-hand side, out terminal. And here we can define, these are all the different outputs that are available on the ribbon cable. So there's going through from out 6 through to out 21, so 16 user-defined outputs. So let's just start right from the top, out 6, and I'm going to define here camera 1. I want the total judgment for camera 1. So if anything fails on camera 1, this output is going to fail or activate. Then do the similar sort of thing for camera 2 on output 7. And we can make these so they're outputting just on an OK status. So we can have our output on a OK or no good. It's selectable just from the system here. Then just OK down the bottom. Go back into our run mode and just click yes to save those changes. Now we can trigger this through, and let's just go through so we can index to a good part on camera 2. And you can see this is good now, and now I can just prove with the I/O Diagnostics. So just click once at the top and then click into Utility. So still in our run mode, and then we can go to I/O Monitor, and we can actually visually check that the output's actually fired on the system. So this is really good for fault finding with the PLC or something like this. And you can see here output 7, and it's got a little check mark in the box indicating that output 7 is actually fired, which is connected to the camera 2. If I just trigger one more time, now you can see output 1 in the background is now fired, and it's indicated OK up here, and output 2 is now a fail. So you can see the check marks now moved to output 1, which is actually, out 6, which is our camera 1. And then trigger through again, obviously it's going to fail, so both outputs have failed. And then as we get through again, come back round, output 7 is now back on again, which is camera 2, and now the next trigger again, camera 1. There we go. Thank you very much. If there's any other question, please check back and we can update you again.